The plug kit comes with a plug to hook up the Optimyst to a standard 120-volt outlet. In the back left corner of the unit, locate and remove the electrical cover plate by removing the two securing screws. Pull the wires out of the compartment. Notice the small black and red wires are used to connect the cartridge to the heater controls in the Optimyst Pro box. In the bottom of the wiring compartment are two additional screws you'll need to remove. This will allow you to pull the bottom of the wiring compartment out of the unit as shown. Run the plug through the top of the cartridge and out the back of the compartment. Secure the plate attached to the plug to the bottom of the wiring compartment. Clip off the ends of the wires and strip the wires with 1/2 inch of bare wire exposed. The green ground wire from the unit connects to the ground wire from the power supply. Be sure to tug on each connection, making sure it is secure. The white neutral wire from the unit connects to the neutral wire from the power supply. Connect the live black wire from the unit to the live from the power supply. Push all wires into the wiring compartment, being sure that they're not pinched or against sharp edges. Now reattach the cover plate using the two screws. That's it! Now you're ready to set up your controls. Speaking of which, we have a video for that.